All right, welcome to video 4 of the Golden Ad Report. What we're going to start here with is we're going to start with the bottom of the funnel, and we're going to jump right on in the ad account. We're going to take a look at the $1-a-day ad strategy for the right-hand side, landing page views, and the conversion-based strategy we have running at the bottom of the funnel. All right, we've jumped right on into the ad account. I'm going to be running this from June 1st through July 31st. And essentially what we're going to see here is at bottom funnel for the time of the recording of the video, we are running our Facebook Live product. So this is going to be the Facebook Live strategy. This is, as you can see, traffic. This is going to be right-hand side. So if anybody added to the cart, this is going to be right-hand side ads. If anybody added to the cart but did not buy, they're going to see ads in every other destination besides the right-hand side. And you're going to see essentially I've taken the exact same ads here, traffic ads. I've now received enough add to carts where we're now optimizing for the add to cart conversions. It's still pretty early, but you can say it doesn't really take much to have the high frequency. But let's go ahead and take a look first at the right-hand side ad. Now see, the right-hand side ad doesn't have to spend a heck of a lot of money. You can see right here, we got a frequency of 15 on the right-hand side. The right-hand side is the only one that I don't really worry about the frequency. You can see we spent $25 on the right-hand side. 11 link clicks, $2.36. That sounds about right. I don't need cheap link clicks because I know that I'm retargeting on the right-hand side on a desktop and landing page views, and that's going to be pushing people right into our add to cart. For example, this is our add to cart July special, and I can see someone picked up a purchase for $299. Again, it basically cost us $25 to make $299 based off the right hand side ad. And just to take a look at what that looks like, again, it is just $1 a day. You can see for the month it spent $25. And just to show you what this looks like for preview, there we go. Now this is going to run specifically to anybody who has visited the sales page, added to cart, but has not bought in the last 7 days. So this is only going to run for 7 days long. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go back over here. We're going to go ahead and now we're going to take a look at all the other destinations that is not the right-hand side. So this right here. Okay. $1 a day again, and what we're doing with this strategy right here is you can see at $1